Just gonna cut to the chase. She's windy out here today. It is whipping. I am now over on the east side coming out of Grays Bay. There's like 2 trailers there at 1 o'clock in the afternoon, and I'm about to show you why. We got a strong 25-mile-an-hour wind right out of the northwest. You can hear it right now. Here it is. Here it comes. Water temps are barely in the 70s. We got a big cold front coming tonight, and there is white chops across Main Lake, Minnetonka. I'm sure come out of Wayzata Bay. I'm looking at nothing but white caps. We'll see what happens. We're gonna go chase some fish this afternoon, this evening, see what's biting, see what's cooking. We are gonna see some change in patterns here in the next 24 hours, I bet. But all you can do is get out there and chase them and see what goes on. So hopefully the middle of your week's going well. Have a great rest of your week. Be safe.